In today's video, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-create ng blog sa Squarespace with an ultimate step-by-step guide to get you started. Kung bago ka man sa blogging o sa Squarespace, tutulungan ka ng guide na to sa bawat step ng paggawa ng magandang blog. Mula sa paggawa ng blog page mo hanggang sa pag-optimize ng bawat post for maximum visibility. Pero make sure you stick around until the end kasi ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano ka makakasave ng 10% gamit ang aming exclusive discount code. So tara, simulan na natin. Let's go ahead and get signed up for Squarespace. Ang gagawin mo lang ay i-click yung exclusive link namin sa description para makapagsimula. From here, it'll bring you to this page and we'll go ahead and click Get Started. Dito, pwede tayong pumili ng kahit anong template but let's make sure we're creating a blog. So we'll go ahead and click the blog button and then click this template right here. Next, we can decide if we want to change any of the colors. Mukhang maganda naman yung color palette. So we'll start with that design. Ngayon, pwede ka mag-sign up gamit ang Google, Apple, o email. Mag-sign up tayo gamit ang email. Kailangan mong ilagay lahat ng information mo kasama na ang email address at password. Next, we'll go ahead and name our site and click Continue. From here, Squarespace will show you a couple different things about how you can use the platform but we'll just continue through all of these. Ngayon, sa side ng navigation, makikita mo ang lahat ng mga options. Let's go ahead and click on Pages. Sa main navigation, you will see ang mga options tulad ng Shop, Journal, About, and Contact. Lahat ito ay pwedeng i-customize. If we wanted to hide one of these pages, we could move it to the Not Linked section. Since we want to create a blog, we're going to click the plus button and select Blog. From here, we have few different options to choose from. So let's go ahead and select this one here. Dito makikita mo na yung blog has been added to the main navigation and it's showing up in this heading right here. Until we're done editing the blog, I'm going to move it to the Not Linked section. This way, we can edit it without having to go live. Ngayon, click natin to. Dito makikita natin ang main page ng blog. Kung gusto natin tignan ng details ng bawat blog post, dito tayo pupunta. Tara, let's go ahead and create a new blog page. Ang gagawin mo, pupunta ka sa specific pages, tapos i-click mo yung add. This will automatically add a new blog post for you. Para i-edit mo yung blog, magsisimula ka sa paglagay ng post title. From there, you can write anything you'd like in the content area. If you want to add photos, video, button, o kung ano-ano pa, pwede mong i-click yung blue plus button to include those elements. Let's say we want to add an image. We can go ahead and add an image here by uploading a file, selecting from the library, or browsing stock images. I-click ang add image and you'll see that Squarespace has a ton of stock photos to choose from, which is really great. Pwede ka magdagdag ng description kung gusto mo at kung gusto mong alisin to, pwede mo tong i-turn off. May option ka rin na magdagdag ng caption overlay o kaya takpan ng image ng text o effects. Kung gusto mong edit ang design, pwede mong baguhin ito sa layout tulad ng poster o overlap. You can further customize by adjusting the radius or exploring other styling options. Ang daming paraan para i-personalize and i-customize ang design ng blog mo. So now, let's set up some essential settings to make sure your blog performs well on search engines at magbigay ng great user experience. Ang gagawin natin ay i-click yung settings gear sa tabi ng blog page mo and then we will go to the SEO tab. I-click mo yung settings tapos pumunta sa SEO tab. Ang gusto natin gawin ay palitan yung mga default page title tulad ng blog 1 with something that reflects your brand or the blog's purpose. So when we go here, we'll want to change the title. Syempre gusto natin mag-match ito sa site natin. Pero halimbawa, pwede mo rin lagyan ng title at description. Sa settings ng specific blog post, pwede mong baguhin ang status nito sa draft, needs review, published, o scheduled. Pwede ka rin magdagdag ng tags at categories na pag-uusapan natin na mas detailed. You can also add comments, so you can enable and disable comments as well as make certain blog posts featured posts. Ngayon, balik tayo sa main section ng blog. Let's go ahead and address these settings now. We just went over how to edit specific settings in a specific blog post, but now this is about your blog in general. Dito makikita mo yung title at navigation title. Pwede mong enable ang page sa pamamagitan ng pag-toggle nito. You can enable the page by toggling that on and off. You can also set the number of posts per page by adjusting it here. Meron kang option to set this as the homepage, pero since it's our blog, we don't necessarily want to do that. Option lang naman yun para sa kahit anong page na gagawin mo. Ngayon, balik tayo sa SEO. This is to make your blog more searchable. So again, you want to make sure you are changing the title to whatever it is that you are talking about to make sure it's searchable and then also add in a description. Also, what you can do, bago ka mag-live, itago mo muna yung search results. Pwede mo itagol ang lahat ng pages sa collection na to o lahat ng category pages sa collection na to since pwede kang gumamit ng categories at tags o lahat ng tag pages sa collection na to. Pwede mo rin i-adjust ang image. Punta naman tayo sa feeds. Pwede mong iset up ang blog mo para sa Apple News, Apple Podcasts, at similar services. Dito meron tayong podcasting, Apple News, pati na rin ang feed settings. Meron pa mga advanced settings katulad ng mga nabanggit ko kanina, mahalaga ang mga categories at tags. Ang categories ay para sa mga pangunahing topic o theme ng blog mo. Ang pagkakaiba ng tags and categories ay may specific ang tags kumpara sa categories and allow you to add detailed descriptors. Again, this really helps readers find related posts at madalas na ginagamit ang tags sa sidebars para ipakita ang mga popular na topic. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin ng social sharing at SEO description. Optimizing each post for social media and search engines will help extend your search and increase engagement. To do that, you just have to navigate to the social image and go ahead and add an image here. You can select something from your own photos or you can search for images as well in Squarespace. Kung gusto mong mas mapataas ang SEO mo, siguraduhin na nagdagdag ka ng description. Kaya magsulat ka ng maikli and malinaw na SEO description para sa bawat post sa SEO tab. Ito ang text na lalabas sa ilalim ng post title mo sa search engine results, kaya gawin mong informative at engaging para maakit ang mga readers. Let's go ahead and talk about the final settings and going live. So what we will do, since hindi pa tayo link dito, gusto nating ilagdag sa main navigation page para maklik agad ng mga tao mula sa homepage. Pagkatapos siguraduhin natin na live na yung site natin. Kailangan mong mag-upgrade para maging live ang site mo. Here you can see you'll click the settings, then website availability. Ngayon, naka-private to. Pwede mo tong gawing password protected, pero para maging public, kailangan mong mag-upgrade. Let's go ahead and do that now. Ang gagawin natin ay pumili ng plan. May iba't ibang options na pwedeng pagpilian ng Squarespace at nagsisimula ito sa personal plan. $16 per month ito kung babayaran annually, pero ipapakita ko sa iyo kung paano ka makakasave ng 10% gamit ang aming exclusive link at discount code, so make sure you stick around. Punta naman tayo sa business plan. Ito ang pinaka-popular. At $23 per month ito. Pero kung magbabayad ka annually, makakasave ka rin. Moving on to the basic commerce site, this plan starts at $28 per month, but if you pay in full for the year, you can save 30%. Sa plan na to, makukuha mo lahat ng benefits ng business plan, pero transaction fees para sa physical products ay 0%. Punta naman tayo sa huling plan na pinakamataas na level, ang advanced commerce. Ang plan na to ay $52 per month, pero kung magbabayad ka annually, makakasave ka ng 27%. Makukuha mo lahat ng benefits ng commerce plan dito. Tara, piliin natin ang business plan since ito ang pinaka-popular. Magbabayad tayo ng annually, ilagay lang natin lahat ng information, save and then continue. Pagkatapos, ilagay natin yung credit card information, save and continue now. Dito, ilalagay mo yung discount code para makasave ng 10%. My first website in all caps, and then it'll be applied at checkout. All you have to do is go ahead and click payment. That covers this video on how to set up a blog on Squarespace, step-by-step guide. Sana naging useful ang video na to. Kung may tanong o comment ka, please feel free to leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Syempre, huwag kalimutan na kung gusto mo makasave ng 10%, gamitin ang aming exclusive link at discount at ilagay ang code na My First Website sa checkout para makasave ng 10%. Maraming salamat sa panonood and kita-kits sa susunod na video.